Once again, welcome, my dear student, in the second module of Tourism and History. In the first module, we all have studied that what is tourism. Children, as we all have studied that tourism is the activities of the people traveling from one place to the other place outside their usual environment for the leisure, business, or for any other purposes. Tourism also contributes towards complete growth and development of a country. One, by bringing the numerous economic value and benefits, and by other, that is by the second way, by helping in building country brand value, images and identity. We also have studied about the different types of tourism. So children, let us begin with the second module of the given chapter, that is tourism and history. So children, let's get started with the module 2. So the topics that we will be covering in this module are development of tourism, conservation and preservation of heritage, types of tourism, and the professional opportunities related to the field of tourism. So children, let's start the chapter. Development of tourism. Children, as we have already studied in the module 1 that tourism boosts the revenue of the economy. It also creates thousands of jobs and develops the infrastructure of a country. It also plants a sense of cultural exchange between the foreigners and the citizens. The number of jobs created by the tourism in many different areas is significant. Today, tourism is the largest service industry in India, with a contribution of 6.23% to the national GDP and providing 8.78% to the total employment. The tourist industry in India generated about 100 billions in the year 2008, and that is expected to increase around 275.5 billions by the year 2018 at a 9.4% annual growth rate. The crucial issue in the development of tourism is providing proper guidance to national and the international tourists about the various aspects of actual travel, proper social conduct during the tour and during their stay at the destination places. Also giving priority to ensure safe transport and security facilities for the tourist. Amenities of reasonable good standard, availability of good accommodation, good washroom facilities on the travel routes is the great importance in promoting the tourism. It is also very important to pay special attention to the special needs of the handicapped tourist. Tourism brings good for the developing countries, as tourism brings much needed foreigner money into the country's economies. While tourism is undoubtedly helpful for poor countries' economies, it can also bring added challenges to these developing nations. Conservation and preservation of heritage. The conservation and restoration of cultural heritage focuses on protection and care of tangible cultural heritage, which includes artworks, architecture, archaeology, and museum collections. Conservation activities includes preventive conservation examination, documentation, research, treatment, and education. Cultural heritage and natural history of a nation has very high value, and its unique culture and its heritage reflects and shape values, beliefs, and aspiration, thereby defining a people's national identity. It is important to preserve our cultural heritage because it keeps our integrity as a people. We can conserve and preserve our heritage by prevent ourselves and others from scribbling on the walls, participating in regular cleanliness drives, being a part of adopt a heritage initiative, spreading the awareness around about these monuments and their importance. It is also very important to take the primary precautions in order to preserve the historical heritage sites. For example, vandalizing or defacing the heritage monuments and the sites. In order to avoid it, everybody should refrain from writings on wall or carving on trees, painting good amenities on the heritage sites, etc. should be taken care of. Types of heritage. Children, as we have already studied in the previous chapter, that we have two types of heritage, that is natural heritage and cultural heritage. The cultural heritage, which also mean as man-made heritage. Natural heritage refers to some total of the element of biodiversities including flora and fauna, ecosystem, geological structures. It forms part of natural resources. Heritage is that which is inherited from the past generation, maintained in the present, and bestowed of future generation. Natural heritage refers to the natural features, geological and physiological formation of delineated area that constitute the habitat of threatened species of animals and plants and natural sites of values from the point of view of science, conservation or natural beauty. Let us move to the next heritage, that is cultural heritage. Cultural heritage. Cultural heritage is the legacy of cultural resources and intangible attributes of a group or society that is inherited from the past generations. Not all the legacies of past generations are heritage. Rather, heritage is a product of selection by society. Heritage is important because it helps us to examine our history and traditions and enable us to develop an awareness about ourselves. It helps to understand and explain why we are the way we are. Heritage is a keystone of our culture that plays an important role in our politics, society, business, and worldview. Heritage sites in India. Heritage is a full range of our inherited traditions, monuments, objects, and culture. Most important, it is the range of contemporary activities, meanings, and behaviors that we draw from them. Heritage includes more than preserving, excavating, displaying, or resorting a collection of old things. It is a hard task to preserve and conserve heritage sites. Our country is very rich with historical sites dating to ancient, medieval, and modern period. It is also blessed with abundance of nature. Heritage of any country is divided into, that is, natural heritage and the cultural heritage. There are some heritage sites in India which are acclaimed globally, such as Taj Mahal in Agra, Jantar Mantar in Jaipur, Rock Cut Cave at Ajanta, Vellore, Garapuri, Elephanta, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Railway Terminals, Kars Plateau at Western Ghat of Maharashtra. Heritage Walk. Children, what is Heritage Walk? Visiting to historical place is known as the Heritage Walk. One can experience the thrill of being a part of history by participating in the Heritage Walks. Heritage Walks as an organized group activity has gained popularity in many countries. India has a rich history which can be traced back to many millenniums. Every region of India is full of historical places from ancient, medieval and modern period. The Heritage Walk organized in the city of Ahmedabad is well known. In the city of Mumbai and Pune in Maharashtra, such walks are organized regularly. Heritage walks can be encouraged people to support projects like conservation and preservation of historical monuments, to collect authentic information about them, and to publish it through various media. Resi- Residences of renowned citizens who have passed away are also the part of heritage. In some cities, blue plaques with the name and other relevant information of such citizens are placed on their residence as the part of heritage scheme. Profe- Professional opportunities. The travel and tourism industry, along with related sectors contributing to it, is expected to grow in leaps and bounds in the coming year. A job in these industries can be highly exciting and adventurous, and even pays well. In India, the travel industry hopes to create 46 million job opportunities by the year 2025. Tourism and hospitality is an industry with potential to create maximum employment opportunities. It has tremendous scope for experimentation and innovation. A good number of opportunities of employment are available in tourism and hospitality industry. The country, which is a tourist destination, begin to receive a revenue even before a tourist arrives at the airport of that country. He has to pay for his visa, he spend for his travel, stay in hotels, food payment to translator, guide, buy newspaper, reference book, souvenir, etc. Market in the vicinity grow along with the development of tourist center. The local handicrafts and the cottage industries also begin to develop. The demand for the local processed food items and ethnic handicrafts increases. It results in better income for the local artisan, business people, and wage earners. The taxi driver are trained to conserve the more than one language. They may also be trained as tourist guides. Different profession opportunities that we have in the field of tourism are: the people can be work as a guide, folk artist, craft dealer, transacting financial services, supplying sports and photographic equipments, event manager, ticketing officer, operator, and many more. Do you know? Billar is a village near Mahabaleshwar which boasts natural beauty and the sweetness of strawberries. It is also known as Village of Books. Every household in this village maintains a small library of its own for the tourists to enjoy. Maharashtra state government has implemented this scheme with a view to accelerate the reading culture movement for the readers tourists to enjoy the beauty of Marathi literature enriched by the works of old and new authors and saints. It also includes various types of text like biographies, autobiographies, fictions, poetry, literature by women, literature on sports, literature for kids, etc. If you go to Mahabaleshwar, make it sure that you will visit to Billar as well. Mahabaleshwar and Panchagini are the hill station in Maharashtra. Thousands of tourists arrived here. These tourists are accompanied by guides who provides them the relevant information on the sightseeing tour. At some places, photographers are present to click a nice snap for the tourist. Horse keepers provide horses for horse rides and horse cart rides. It is the local people who are engaged in these activities and they can earn good money for their services. In short, tourism becomes a major source of their livelihood. Children, let us come to the evaluation segment of the given module. Question number 1. Fill in the blank. First one, Billar is known as the village of Dash. As we already studied in the given slides, that Billar is known as the village of books. Let us move to the next question. Identify the wrong pair. Option number 1, Matheran, hill station, Tadoba, rock cut cave. Option number 3, Kolhapur, pilgrim center, Ajanta, world heritage. So the wrong pair for the given question is option number 2, Tadoba, that is not the rock cut cave but it is a sanctuary. Let us move to the third question. Answer the following question in 25 to 30 words. First one, what are the crucial issues in the development of tourism? Question number 2, in what ways tourism becomes a major source of their livelihood? Question number 3, what would you do to develop the surrounding of your village, town to help the growth of tourism? So children, for writing the answer of these questions, kindly read the textbook and watch the video thoroughly. Thank you, my dear student, for listening me patiently. To know more about the lesson, kindly read the textbook and watch the video carefully. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, enjoy learning.